Would you care to comment on today's surfing conditions?
I don't know. 2 years to the day I'm on my way, I'm living inside with the words you say. It's killing me how you're always bringing me down. So put to rest this breath that I can't forget, these marks just left on the side of his neck. It's killing me now, you're always bringing me down.
Today and the sun.
They're alright, I guess. I'm glad the sun isn't too big.
Oh, too big.
Too big.
Too big.
Small today, but
Oh, okay, alright.
my shit's gonna get fucking burnt.
Oh, okay. Well, hopefully we won't. I didn't put on sunscreen today. I usually put on 50 SPF 4 times.
Okay, you need to make me do that a lot, okay?
Put on sunscreen?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone.
Really burnt.
Everyone make sure she puts on her sunscreen.
Get
Oh no.
Now get away.